Hello everyone. I'm Subhrajit Asst, Assistant Professor in Nursimharadi Engineering College. I welcome to all to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to discuss about one new topic in the programming for problem solving as per your syllabus. Unit 1, there is a new topic. The topic name is component of computer systems, right? So components of computer system, basically the computers, it is not a single unit, right? If you'll ask to anybody having little bit knowledge on the computers, what are the several components of the computers? No, he will ask, he will tell these three components. Generally, he will tell these three components. What is that three components, sir? Everybody know this one. What is the three components name? This one is what? This one is called 1 minute. This black color, what is visible to you, that is called CPU, Central Processing Unit. In short form, we are calling it as processor. Processor. Central Processing Unit, CPU, or processor also we are calling sometimes. This one is keyboard, right? This one is keyboard. Keyboard. And this one is monitor. This is the monitor. Okay, these are the three major component of the any computer systems. But if we talk about the laptops, in laptop everything is there in the I mean, there is no separate three unit. In single unit you can get everything. Here is the diagram, you can see. This one is the laptop, where every central processing unit is inside it, and keyboard is also inbuilt here, and screen also inbuilt here. So it is because of the what are the hardware components we are using, they are very smaller in size, so they are able to fix all these units in a single unit, and that they gave the name laptop, right? Okay, anyway, so you have the basic idea on that. So what is my point here, what I want to discuss here, the several components of the computers. This is the some examples, but generally what they have usually they have divided into the components into three parts. What are those three parts? First one is input unit. Second one is output unit, and third one is processing unit, right? Processing unit. Processing unit, right? And again, this processing unit, it is consisting of several sections, three sections it is have, we will tell later. First, this one, input unit. What is the input unit, sir? Sir, through this input unit, what the user is doing, through this input unit, user is giving some request to this processor, okay, by typing something here, or by clicking some options on this mouse. This one is also called as input unit. Mouse is here, it is also called as input unit, right? So here input unit, through input unit, the user is giving some request to the this central processing unit, either it may be keyboard or mouse, right? So after giving the input through this keyboard and mouse, something process is happening here inside this processor, and finally the result we are going to display in this output screen, right? In this output screen. Anyway, so currently in this diagram, two input unit is visible. One is keyboard, another is this mouse. I hope you understand what is the function of the input unit. Any request what you are giving, that will be, the request is sent to the central processing unit through this input unit only, right? Sir, if it is a computer systems, these are the two input units must required. But apart from this two input unit, we are using a lot of accessories for this computers. For several purpose, we are using a lot of accessories. Right? Among those accessories also, you'll find several input units also available. Look at this diagrams. This is a scanner, right? This is a scanner. What we are using in the scanner, we are scanning any documents, any page here. While you are scanning, it is taking this request to the computer only. To the computer only, the processing unit is there. The request again immediately it will send to this processing unit, right? This is the CPU. Suppose you assume CPU. So since the request we are sending to the CPU or to the computers by this processing unit, by this scanner, so scanner is also called as here one input unit, right? It is also called as an input unit. The same way, if you have visit any, I mean, mall shopping malls, I mean DMart, or they are using this one. Which one? This barcode scanner, right? Barcode scanners. For every product, in every product, there is a barcode is there, barcode is there. So they are scanning through this one. So while they are scanning, immediately on the computer, the CPU process it, and some writing information is printing in the computer screen like this by scanning this barcode. So how these things is happen? Because of this one only. So this is also a input unit, right? Now coming to camera. Camera is also input unit. Why? Because it is taking your pictures and sending to the computers, and through these computers we are able to take it to print, right? This is also a input unit. Not only this one, mic also when somebody is speaking, the voice is going to a machine, not computer exactly. Sometimes come through the computer also we are connecting, but sometimes it is going to another machine where it is processing, and enlarged or voice will be enlarged and output is producing. So this is also a input unit, right? So these are several input unit. Every day we are using, right? We are using, peoples are using the input units. Don't think that input unit mean only these two components. One is keyboard, one is mouse. No, input unit means several accessories are there which are using with the computer, without computer also they are working, right? This is one basic idea about the input units. And what is the definitions? These are the devices which, but through which we are giving some request. We are giving some request to process. We can write the definition also, right? Or if you want to say other definitions, you can search in the internet browser. Beautiful definitions will come, right? Anyway, now coming to the output unit. Output units are here in this diagram. This is the output unit. This is the output. That means through which any visualization is done or anything is producing, it is called output. Now the monitor is producing some visualization subject through which we can see the output, see the any image, see anything we can see from this. This is a output unit. Television also we can see, television screen also, it is output units, right? So that means what is the definition, sir? Definition is through which we can able to see something, we are getting some result, that is called output unit, sir. Is there any other devices to whom which we can call as output units? Obviously they are. Observe here carefully. These are there. Here printer is there, right? Printer. When the computer is giving some request, right? Computer is giving some request to print a page. Immediately through this device, some printing, some paper is printing here, image or any documents, any text file, whatever it may be, we are able to print. So this is also called as an output unit, right? And this one is also object projector, right? Projector is here. Projector, what we are doing, we are doing some uh, presentations work here. That means on a screen will be there, we are doing some presentation work. So this is also is called as output. It is displaying something on a board, on a screen, on a wall, whatever it may be. So it is also called as output unit, right? So here this is one more device is there, speaker is there. speaker. What is doing, sir? It is modulating the, it is producing the sound. Okay, sound. It is producing the sound. So since it is producing something, we can call it as it is also an output unit, right? It is also output unit. Now, very interestingly, the mobile is here, the smartphone is here, and this kind of machines are here. In these machines, we can both, it is act as both input and output, these two devices, both input and output. Here we can give some request. Okay, now we can give some request by typing something from the keyboard will come, and we can get the output in the same screen also. That's why it is called input and output unit. Here also we can scan here, and we can get output in this here also. So this is also called as input and output unit. So here in this video, what I have tried to do, I gave some idea about what are the several input and output devices are there, right? You know very well, but little bit explanation I keep here, right? Now coming to the most important, what is that important means what? This one, third one, processing unit. This one, processing unit, right? Most important, nothing but this CPU processor. Sir, what is this one? Very easy. I will tell. Observe carefully. 1 minute. Okay, CPU or processing unit. Okay, any information what we are giving through this input device, first it is going to processor, right? Processor is there, it is going to the processor. Then inside something happening, inside the processor some work is happening. Then finally we are getting the output, right? We are getting the output, these things. Sir, what kind of things we can process through this processor? I will tell in this video. What kind of things we can process? Sir, we can process number one, it can having three sections. Any arithmetic related work, any logical related work we can process. So it has a section ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. Okay, arithmetic and logical unit. So we can do this kind of work through this processor. Second one is what? Second one is CU. CU means not a word, it is CU. It is full form is control unit, right? We are frequently we are using I will see you, right? No, not like that. Control unit. It is the control unit. Control unit. Sir, what control unit? Because every devices we are connecting here only. Okay, every devices we are accessories we are connecting here only. The keyboard connected here, mouse connected here, printer also. Suppose I want to connect to printer, printer also I will connect here only, right? Printer also I will connect here. Speaker also I will connect here. Mic also I will connect here. Every devices is connected here only. Several ports are available. We can connect here, right? So whenever the user is giving request to print a document, so printer will be connected to the any computer, any machines, right? I will take this one. Okay, 1 minute. One minute. So this is the printer. So printer is connected to the CPU, right? CPU, right? It is connected to the CPU through this. So where it is connected here, and through the mouse, user given the request to print a page. When the user is giving the request to print a page, it will not do. The computer will not do. It will not play the. Suppose a song is there, lyrics is there. I want to print. A song is there, a song lyrics I want to print. So when I click on print options, the song will not play here in the computer. It will not play here. What happened? It will print, only printing will happen. That much control. Suppose I will tell human being also just like a CPU, just like a CPU, right? Just like a CPU. We can do arithmetic related work. Suppose I will ask to the human being, you do what is the 5 into 7? immediately will answer will come 35, even very much faster than the computer. Also you can give the answer 5 into 7, what is the answer. But suppose I will tell what is the answer of 505 into 702, then our processing become hanged, our mind become hanged. We need some calculator, pen and paper to do this work. Immediately we cannot say. But the same thing if I'll ask to the computers, this 5 into 7 also immediately it can say. 505 also, 505 into 702 also, fraction of second we can get the answer. That much powerful it is. Just like human beings, right? Human being obviously manufactured or produced this computer, but it is little bit smarter than the human being, right? It's coming to the control unit. In the same thing in the human being, if I tell raise your right hand, left hand, you will not raise your leg, right? Corresponding, if suppose I will command you go 5 steps backward, you will not jump there, right? Whatever instruction I am giving, exactly same thing you are going to follow. Who is controlling? Our brain is controlling, right? CPU, processor, our brain is the processor here. In the computer, same thing also. If I'm giving a request for printing, it will print only. It will not play the music, right? If I'm giving request to play the music, it will not print. It will play the music only. So that is the control unit work in the computer, right? Control unit work in the computer. Third one is what? Memory unit. MEU, memory unit. Memory unit. Sir, human being also having this memory unit. We are also having this memory unit, but less powerful comparison to computer. Sir, suppose I will ask who is the first prime minister of the India? First prime minister of the India or first president of the India. Immediately the peoples can, who are having some knowledge, he can tell. Okay, he can tell who is the first prime minister of India, who is the first presidents of India. But suppose I will ask who is the fifth prime minister of India, who is the fifth president of India, then our mind become hang. We will take little bit time to get these answers. Thinking, I have to think something, right? But in the same question, if I'll ask to the computers, immediately in the fraction of second, we can get the answer. Right? That much powerful it is, right? Memory unit. So basically, the processor, central processing unit, consisting of these three unit: arithmetic logical unit, control unit, and memory unit. So in this video, what we discussed, several units of a computer systems. Okay, output unit, input unit, and processing unit. I hope this concept is very much clear to all of you. I request to all of you, please watch this video at least 1 to 2 times so that you can get a better clarity on this. Everybody know about this one, but clarity, if you want to clarity, so please watch this video at least 1 to 2 times. Right? Example I have given, diagrammatical picture, visualization, something I have given. Easily you can remember also. Right? No need of practicing by hiding all these things again and again. Question will come in the exams. What is the question, sir? Describe. Okay, 5 mark question will come. Describe several components of the computer system. So you not only you have to describe all these things, right? Computer systems, all these things, input device, output device, processing device, right? So it is a good point to stop here. I will conclude my video here. In the next video, I will take one more new topic and I will discuss there. So till then, take care and bye.